Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, and today's video is a highly requested video. I had posted a picture of me drinking detox water a couple of days ago, and you all like bombarded me with a lot of DMs like, how do you make it? Please share with us the recipe and stuff like that. The thing is, I did not want to share it. I usually don't make videos on my Instagram like that, so I thought, why not share it with you all on here on my YouTube channel. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm going to share with you all this detox water recipe. If you find this recipe or this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like button, and do let me know in the comment section below if you would like more of fitness and health related videos. And now, without any further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright, so for this weight loss detox water, the first ingredient you will need is the Tulsi green tea. Now, if you don't have this sort of green tea, you can of course use Tulsi leaves and some green tea leaves with it, or just green tea leaves would be enough. Then next we will need some mint. Now, mint has a very calming effect, and it helps in digestion as well. So it's again a very good ingredient for the summers. Next, I'm going to add some lemon juice, and lemon juice is amazing for weight loss, for skin, and even it helps aid digestion. And I'm even going to add few slices of pineapple. Now, pineapple is so good. It is such a great fat cutter. So we are going to combine all of these ingredients and make the detox water. Let's see how I prepare it. So I take about 1 liter of water, and I just keep adding water throughout the day in the same jug. So firstly, I'm going to add Tulsi green tea, 1.5 teaspoon. If you're adding green tea, you can add just 1 teaspoon. And after that, I'm going to add the lemon juice, mint leaves, and the pineapple chunks as well. So once I'm done adding all of these ingredients, I'm going to close the lid and give this jug a good shake, and then I keep it in the refrigerator for about an hour minimum before I start drinking it, so that everything gets infused properly. And when I want to drink it, I just strain it in a cup or in a glass, and I sip it. It's so refreshing. And when you're making this at home, if you're making it in the morning, make sure to drink all of it before 6 p.m. And if it's left, just discard it. Don't reuse it after that time. And of course, you need to make fresh every day. Yes, so this is how I make my detox water. This is so refreshing, perfect for summers, and plus it even helps in weight loss.